The question is, the bond dissociation energies of X2, Y2 and Xy are in the ratio of 1 is to 0.5 is to 1. Delta H for the formation of Xy is minus 200 kilojoule per mole. The bond dissociation energy of X2 will be. So we need to calculate the bond dissociation energy of X2. According to the question, the reaction will be half X2 plus half Y2 gives Xy. So delta H for reaction is equals to half of delta H x minus x plus half of delta H y minus y minus delta H of xy. As we know, the ratio is 0. As we know, the ratio is 1 is to 0.5 is to 1. So this reaction further changes to, we know the value of delta H reaction, that is minus 200 is equals to half of A plus half of 0.5 A minus A. A represents the ratio 1 is to 0.5 is to 1. So by solving we get minus 200 is equals to minus 0.25 A. So A comes out to be 800. So the bond dissociation energy for X2 will be 800 kilojoule per mole, which is the fourth option.